Hello again. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to construct a right-angled triangle given the hypotenuse side and another side. Okay, sometimes these triangles are called RHS. R standing for the right angle, okay? H standing for the hypotenuse side. The hypotenuse side is the side opposite to the right angle, and S will stand for another side. Okay, so here I have a small rough sketch of what I am expecting in my construction. Okay, so you have to prepare your ruler, your compass, your protractor to check your work, and also a sharpened pencil. Okay, so my first step here is to produce a straight line. Okay, so please go down a bit so that you will have enough space for your construction. So first I'm going to draw a straight line, okay, like this one, right? And also please mark your starting position. Now, before marking your starting position, I have decided that I need to start, okay, from point A, producing the right angled end of this triangle. Therefore, to construct the right angle, I suggest you go a bit inside the line, okay? So you start somewhere here, because you need to do the two arcs here to produce the right angle of your triangle, okay? So here, my first point, I should name it A, okay? My second step is that I need to produce the right angle. So you have to take out your compass, okay? Let me remind you, center on B, open the compass and radius you like, okay? And you're going to produce an arc here, okay? And also an arc on the other side, keeping the compass open the same size, okay? Every time. Therefore, here I have produced 2 points. Let me name them, for example, X and Y for you, so that you will understand me of what I am referring to. Okay, so I have produced 2 points. Right? Now, my next step is that I suggest you open up a bit your compass, right? You go center on X, and you're going to produce an arc up here. Leaving the compass open as it is, you go center on Y, okay, and you produce another arc here. So there I have produced another point up here. Now you have to grab your pencil and ruler, and you're going to join from point A up until this point here. However, I suggest you elongate your line, okay, so that you will use it a bit later on in your construction. Okay, to check if you have produced an angle of 90 degrees, okay, take out your protractor and you can check if your line is 90 degrees exact. Okay, as you can see, it is exactly 90 degrees. Therefore, the right angle here is finished. Okay, you can mark it there. So now I suggest you leave the arcs there, okay? And my next step is that I'm going to construct the 7.7 centimeter line, okay? So now you have to take out your ruler and your compass, right? And you're going to open your compass 7.7 centimeters. Okay, let me zoom in for you. So center has to touch the 0 centimeter mark, and you have to open it 7.7. Okay, see here 7.7 centimeters. Now you move out your ruler, okay, center on A. It's important that the metal part should be exactly on point A here, and you're going to draw an arc on this black line, okay, on this black line, okay. Let me remind you, I am using color, so I will help you out in figuring what I am explaining. However, please, all the constructions, even the rough sketch, have to be um, in pencil. Okay, so that if you make mistakes, you can rub off easily. So there I have produced a 7.7 centimeter mark. Okay, let me name my new point here, which is called point B. Okay, so my next step is that I need to produce this 8.5 centimeter line. Okay, again, take out your ruler, prepare your compass, and you need to open it exactly 8.5 centimeters. Okay, I need to open my compass 8.5 somewhere there. Okay, so now remove your ruler, you go center on B. Okay, rotate your compass, and I need you to produce an arc which has to touch this blue line. Okay, let me do it in purple. Okay, so now you have to draw an arc which has to touch um, your blue line. Okay, and there it is, right? Okay, so opened up 8.5, center on B, and marked the arc. Okay, therefore, let me remind you that this new point here, okay, I have done it in purple. This new point here is point C of your triangle. Okay, now you have to join the last step, join BC with your ruler. Okay, so we have to join BC, a straight line, BC with your ruler. Okay, when you are ready, okay, check everything that they are the correct size. Okay, this line should be 7.7, okay, and this line should be 8.5. Therefore, when you are ready, please mark every measurement you have. So this line was 8.5 centimeters. Always write in a pencil. And this line AB was 7.7 centimeters. Okay, and there you have your construction. Please do not rub off any extra arcs or long lines. Okay, because these arcs will obviously tell your examiner all the steps you have used to construct your triangle. Okay, thank you for watching.